Okay, let me refresh this because we have done this first, but I think I'll have to start this. Okay, confirm, cancel. Okay, now refresh. Okay, we have done the first task. Mark as solved. Okay, why do I have to mark it solved if it is something that I did? I'm new to LeetCode, so I might be making some mistakes. We'll see. So let's go to the second problem, day 2. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe right now. Okay, and like these videos and everything. So given an integer n returns a counter function. Okay, this is again related to closure because we are returning a counter function or whatever function it is, but if we are returning something, it should be closure. This counter function initially returns n and then returns one more than the previous values every subsequent times. Okay, what is this? So this 10, 11, 12. Okay, create counter, great. So I think it should work like this. Create count equals to n, so that I'm taking this n as a variable here and setting it to count so that I can manipulate this count basically. Okay, return, maybe return count plus, and let's see how it works. I'll have to remove this. Okay, by the way, I've started to get irritated with first of all these comments, and second, it doesn't provide suggestions for already written variables and everything around that. So let's start run. For 10, it should give us 10, 11, 12. Okay. For 10, it is giving us 10, 11, 12. Great. So it was straightforward. Submit. By the way, one tip, if you have done coding, if you don't have much experience with overall programming coding, whenever you're using plus plus increment or minus minus decrement, always think, okay, just because if you're using it at a start, it can lead to some other solution. I think if we use it plus plus here, let's try this. It should be 11, instead of 10, 11, 12, it should be 11, 12, 13. Let's try this. Okay, so this is some one common thing which you should always check. Yes, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so let's start here, make this run, and let's okay, sorry, submit. Okay, beat 62%. So again, I think this is not, let's submit this again to see, because in last video we, okay, 49%. Let's do this third time, getting worse, 93. So at least at this point, it doesn't matter. What's the top solution? Top solution is return n plus plus. Okay. Okay. I was not aware of that we can directly increment this. So that would actually, we are creating one extra variable which will actually take some extra memory. So that is nice thing. We should fix that. So let's go to our code. Okay, code sample, close this, and like directly do n plus plus. Okay, now let's submit this. Okay, it has gone worse, but technically I know that it is better just because we have skipped creating one more extra variable. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.